Imagine Elon Musk and Donald Trump, once close allies, suddenly become opponents. Imagine Musk, a man behind Tesla, SpaceX, facing such a clash that considering moving the companies to some other country. Example, India. Sounds surprising, right? Let me explore how the things could affect you, especially if you're planning to do your future abroad. Stay with me till the end. It is about more than a business. It is about the job, technology, and opportunities. In 2024, Elon Musk and Donald Trump, they were very close. The Trump praised Musk as a top innovator, and the Musk supported Trump campaign and the look government job to help to improve the things. But then Trump pushed a big government spending plan. Musk spoke out against it, says that it was careless, would cut the Tesla's important business, and it really pinched him. And the Trump got angry and called Musk crazy, even threatened to stop his government contract that the Musk companies needed. The disagreement became public and it's heated up. It hurt Tesla's stock and the investors were worried. What started a strong relationship turned into serious fight. What this means for Musk business and USA, and why India would be a right choice maybe. India is on move, changing faster than ever before. And with Make in India plan initiative, the government has cut the corporation tax and rolled out welcome mate and foreign investors. And here is something amazing. India produced 1/3 of world STEM graduate. That means millions of engineers, scientists and tech experts ready to build the future. On the top of that, India is improving infrastructure, new roads, better opportunities, port, easier and faster than to the business. The government is also offering a strong subsidies and for the manufacturing, critical area for the cutting edge technologies. Let us not forget the huge growing market. Millions of people could be customers of Tesla cars, SpaceX, internet. For Musk, India is not just about another option, but it's offer the real cost saving. That's why India could be a perfect place for the next big move. Maybe, might be, we don't know about it. Why not other countries? Why not China, Russia, or even the Middle East? China is a manufacturing giant, but the tightly controls its business and censors speech. The Musk may not be fit into China. The trade tension with the US and risk of Musk. And Russia has political sanction and IP concerns. Middle East has got money, but still building tech skills, manufacturing, political instability, art, uncertainty. India is a stable democracy with the historic Western ties, English speakers, and the growing tech sectors offering a unique and huge balance. That's why India stands out as the best choice for this imagined scenario. Now, why Europe could also be a possibility. Europe has strong economic conditions like Germany, UK, France, Netherlands. There is a big market and skilled workers. EU finding supporters, green tech and innovations. Tesla, many cars are there. SpaceX, satellite, internet could grow too. But the Europe has strict regulations and complex bureaucracy. And high tax and rigid labor laws makes the projects costly and slow. Europe suits sales and research, but for the faster manufacturing like space project, India market could be better. Musk could balance operations between both regions. How could Musk and India partner? And let us imagine that the partnership between the Musk and India could look like. The first picture of Tesla is setting a large manufacturing unit that could serve India's growing demands on electric cars. They could also supply nearly countries like Asia, even to Africa. That means more clean, affordable vehicle on the road. That the big boost manufacturing job across the region. Now think about SpaceX, joining hand with ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. Together they could work building rockets, launching satellite, even exploring deep space missions. That kind of collaboration would bring cutting-edge technologies in India, helping the countries become global space player. The impact would be huge and thousands of new job opportunities could open up. Musk venture and India's ambitions could together build something truly transformative. And of course, when you think about partnering with India, it is not without challenges. India's bureaucracy can be very, very slow, and getting permits and approval might take longer than expected. Power supply is not always reliable. The factors can face outages that disrupt the production still in India. While India has many talented engineers, there are shortage of experts in a very specialized fields like artificial intelligence, aerospace, and advanced chip design. Because of this, Musk might need to invest heavily and training local talent to bring experts from abroad, at least in the initial stage. Another important point is protecting intellectual property. Strong laws enforcement are needed to keep the Musk valuable technologies safe in India. Finally, India must make sure that this big investment benefit everyone and do not harm the environment. The global impact on Musk. If a Musk move to a major operation to India, the global tech shift, the US might lose the job, innovation and leadership. India could become major tech power and reshaping the trade and investment. Other countries will compete harder for the tech companies, increasing innovation by risking weaker labor and environmental stance. In conclusion, the story of Musk and Trump and India might be an imaginary, but reveals something very real without how fast our world is changing. No matter how the powerful you are, and sudden shift can change everything overnight. Technology, politics, business are all connected, shaping the future in the way that we can't always control. Our intention is not to celebrate the conflict and take side and fight each other. To understand how such a clashes open path and opportunities. Emerging countries like India are growing fast, creating fresh opportunities that shift the global balance of power. If the story interested to you, please like and share and subscribe ProShine, and where we explore important information regarding immigrants. Thanks for watching. I am Shine. See you next time. Thank you.